Okay, this truck right here, we're at Walmart, 32nd Street in Thomas. This truck is in motorcycle parking, and this truck is parked right there. Where it shouldn't be. So, I'm gonna get that and the plate on this truck. I'll get the plate.
Hey, this is a motorcycle. I just have a stupid Toyota drivers are.
Go to the back with the plate.
Huh?
Go to the back with the plate.
Huh? I don't need that. I need somebody that wants the plate. You want the plate?
Yeah. Let's get that.
It is 618-11P. And she's a motorcycle. Fucking dummy. Goddamn idiot.
So not only do we have people parking in motorcycle parking, we've got people parking in handicap spaces at Walmart that don't have plate or placard. Pink game to auditor out.